This is REALME 14x, and today I'll show how you can create screen recordings on this device. So in the beginning, open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar. Then expand the controls, press here or press at the 3 buttons you'll find at the top right corner of the display, and then go for the Edit Tiles option. Now in the More Tiles list, look for the screen recorder and add its icon to the list of active controls, should I say. Did I add it? Yep, here it is. Now you can begin recording your screen by once again opening and expanding the controls and tapping at the screen recording tile. Here, when you will launch this tool for the first time, you will need to grant it with, microphone permission. And now start screen recording by tapping at the start button. Here it is. At any given time, you can pause your recording like that. You can also manage the sound source, so you can mute or unmute both system sound and microphone sound. In order to finish the recording, just tap at this tick icon or tick button. And now your screen recording can be found inside the Gallery app, Albums, Videos. Here it is. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.